So the first weekly challenge that is we are having from tomorrow. Before we unveil that, let me introduce you to someone who will be joining us from today till the moment and even after. Archana Shah. She is a nutritionist, a dietitian who will be there with us throughout our journey. Thank you so much, ma'am. I will just introduce her, and she'll also joined us live today. So Archana Ben is going to help us with our diet and nutrition related things. And as I said in the morning, we are going to have separate groups for separate activities. So no communication pollution. So we are going to have a separate group for dieting or nutrition related things. And Archana Man has told her to actually take care of each and every query. So you can put the queries in the respected groups, and at her convenient time, she'll reply to all of you. Just introduce Archana Ben in a brief. She is an accredited practicing dietitian. She's obtained her master's degree in food and nutrition in 2012 with 8th rank in the university. She has worked with corporate hospital, Dharam Singh Desai Heart Institute. She has worked with Lilavati Hospital at Mumbai, where she got an opportunity to customize the menus for celebrities. She is working as with clients in India as well as global. Her clients are in Singapore, Dubai, Bahrain, UK, USA, and France, to name a few. And I'll also share the resume in the group. So before that, let us first unveil the first weekly challenge. Anjali Ben has also joined, and other committee members are here. So the first weekly challenge that this week we are going to follow is a no sugar week. I know it is a very difficult challenge. Rujuven is laughing here, but I think and especially for people like me who are so fond of sweets and so fond of food, it's going to be a daunting task. But I'm sure with Archana Ben here and all the other experts here, we are going to have a very smooth week coming up. And this is something which we can take it as a lifestyle change. As we keep on saying, this movement is something on the lifestyle change, and let us adopt it right now. So when we talk about no sugar week, neither me nor Bishan Bhai experts in that. We have an expert team here with us. So today we are just introducing 3 or 4 of them with the paucity of time. So Archana Shah has joined us, who is our dietitian. As I introduced you, she's going to take you through a PPT, and that presentation we are going to share in the group. It contains the do's and don'ts, the alternatives of if not sugar, what you can use in your food. The entire PPT has been well prepared by her, and I'm sure you all will be having a very good experience going through it and for the week ahead. We have also been joined by CA Nikita Paryani, CA Munal Ved, and CA Pragnya Mohan. They all are fitness enthusiasts, and they are experts in this, and they have actually realized the difference of not having sugar in their body, like not consuming sugar regularly. So they can share their experiences also with you. So I would first request Archana Shah to please enlighten the audience with a presentation and her insightful thoughts. Thank you. And Archana ma'am,
Hello everyone. Yeah, am I audible?
yeah.
Asha ma'am, you are from a CA family and a sister of CA Jigar Parekh. So we are proud to welcome you here.
Thank you so much. Uh, Very healthy morning to all of you. To start with, being fit is very vital considering current situation, current pandemic situation. And at the onset, I really compliment Ahmedabad branch of ICAI for organizing such events and to congratulate all the participants for being committed to Fitness Ka Dose Adha Ghanta Roz. Thank you, Chairman Harit Bhai, and the entire managing committee members. As rightly said that I'm a sister and a daughter of chartered accountant, so I definitely know how workload is, and taking time in organizing such event is just a commendable job. Thank you, CA Jitendra Dave, for giving me this opportunity. I'll be there throughout in your movement, and will happily guide you all participants. Now, before I move to the weekly challenge, I just want to give you a few insights of how you can just start a day or a healthier day. फर्स्ट इज आई एम श्योर हम में से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो दिन में सिर्फ 2 या 3 मील खाते हैं. द रीजन इज अगर आप 2 या 3 मील खाते हो, सो क्या होता है, यू एंड अप ईटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फूड एट वन पर्टिकुलर मील. That is the main reason that you spike in your sugar, your cholesterol, and of course weight gain. So to reduce that, I would definitely recommend divide your meals as in divide your calories in a small frequent meals. So start having at least 5 to 6 meals in a day rather than having just 3 meals. Now, coming to part of a weekly challenge, which is a no sugar challenge. Let me share my screen and take you through the PDF. I hope it's visible.
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Okay. So लेट मी जस्ट गो थ्रू नो शुगर वीक एज इन बहुत सारे आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे अगर शुगर नहीं लेना है तो क्या करना है मैं अपना चाय नहीं छोड़ सकता मैं कॉफ़ी नहीं छोड़ सकता बट ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू लीव योर टी एंड कॉफ़ी इज जस्ट द हेल्दी ऑल्टरनेटिव्स आई एम ऑफ कोर्स गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड यू so why a no sugar challenge and why it is important or I would say how healthy it is to eliminate sugar from your day-to-day routine first especially in your field chartered accountant it requires a lot of work and focus to work with so eliminating sugar first has helped to work with a more focused and it gives a productivity throughout the day. Another thing is it helps a lot in weight loss. It helps to boost your immunity. Then it helps to reduce your inflammation, and if you have any digestive disorders, it reduces the risk of diabetes, heart diseases. इफ यू आर वन जिसको स्किन में बहुत सारे पिंपल्स होते हैं ब्रेकआउट्स होता है
जो
एक्नेस
एक
होता
डब्बो
है
છે
so try to eliminate or exclude sugar and see the difference on your skin. Also, there are some negative effects of sugar if you are taking it in a more amount or exceeding amount. So, what could be the
બોલો
hazardous thing that can be happen to you? So, first of all, sugar doesn't contain any kind of nutrients. It is just empty calories. It lowers the concentration. You feel tired or lethargic throughout the day. It causes cavities. It damages your teeth. Then it decreases your immune system. Then you may feel a lot of stomach problems. Of course, a lot of mood swings, anxiety, depression. These are the common things if you have a lot of sugar in your day-to-day routine, and it's a kind of addictive. सो बेटर शुगर इज अ काइंड ऑफ थिंग जो जितना कम लोगे उतना एडवाइजेबल है आपकी बॉडी के लिए सो ट्राई टू मिनिमाइज द यूज ऑफ डायरेक्ट शुगर in your day-to-day routine. Now I just wanted to know I just wanted to tell you that simple sugar, the granule white sugar, of course that we can see and we can avoid it, but there are lot of food or the pegged food I would say which has a hidden sugar. We knowingly unknowingly eat that in our day to day routine. So basically I would request to one and all from tomorrow or from now onwards, if you're going for a grocery shopping, then encourage yourself to read food labels. Why? Because there is a mention of sugar percentage in that, a fat percentage, and a lot of other nutritional fact you will be able to see on your food label. First is as I'm going to talk about sugar, so let me just go through this. The word which ends with OSE, for example, you may find a lactose, you may find fructose, maltose, glucose. These are the things which are a similar names of sugar, and avoid things if you find those names on your food labels. As well as of course it's a summer season, and to beat the heat we lot of go in the market and get lot of kind of other syrups like a khas syrup or a rose syrup or a pineapple syrup. They are nothing but a lot of sugar added syrups. So try to avoid those, and try to avoid consuming those things, and encourage your family members as well to read the food labels, especially the OSE, which contains a lot of sugar. Now, as it is mentioned, there are a lot of hidden, sugar present in other day-to-day dishes. So, to name a few, first is a ketchup, what we generally use, a sauce, tomato sauce. It has a lot of sugar present in that. Bakery products, as in we, eat breads, buns, toast. It requires a sugar for their own preparation. Then a flavored yogurt, energy drinks, packed juices, colas, canned fruit juices, and a breakfast cereals. Or maybe sometimes you may find, a bars, a chocolate bars or a healthy bar, which says a low fat and or a fat free food, but it doesn't mean that it is low in sugar. So make sure and read all these things before you purchase any food. नाउ बहुत सारे लोगों को मन में क्वेश्चंस है कि अगर शुगर नहीं लेना है तो आपको क्या लेना है एंड व्हाट कुड बी द ऑल्टरनेटिव टू sugars. So of course, one thing will come into your mind is I may suggest to use a artificial sweetness, but no, definitely no to that, because artificial sweeteners are not good in a long run. So avoid using artificial sugars and rather opt for healthy alternatives. So I have named a few here. First is you can use unprocessed jaggeries. So that is, in the market, if you go, a jaggery powder is easily available these days. So to your tea and coffee, you don't have to worry about have chai without sugar, but you can definitely use a jaggery powder for making your tea and coffee. Of course, for making different kind of curries, chikki, laddus, and kheer. So you can replace your sugar with the jaggery. Um Many of you must be having smoothies and porridges in your day-to-day routine. So rather than making it with sugar, why not raw honey? So definitely raw honey is also another alternative which you can use it. Then a lot of you must be having a sweet tooth. So basically, after having lunch and dinner, you may feel a craving or eating some small piece of sweet. So you may replace it with, you may be having some different kind of Indian sweets. So rather replace it with a date, which is very high in iron, as well as you can make n number of dishes. Like you can make smoothies, sweets, even a cake can be made from the dates. A date powder, a date pulp is also easily available in the market. So you need to search for that. Then again, another thing is there are lot of to beat the heat, we eat ice creams and a lot of beverages, colas. So why not to use fruit itself as a alternative, or a fruit puree itself as an alternative for your sugar cravings. So you can make popsicles at home, you can give to your kids as well, and which can be made up of frozen fruits or maybe a fruit puree. Then you can use a grated apples and also a dark chocolate. So dark chocolate should be consist of minimum 80 to 90% dark, which can be a replacement for the sugar, and you can use that. Dark chocolates are also a very good source of antioxidants, which also again helps to boost your metabolism. So these are the foods which, if you're not going to have sugar, these are the things you can definitely add in your day to day routine. Now you should select this and delete. Why? Because you will save a lot of calories, and you will directly or knowingly or unknowingly, you will be you are going to reduce the sugar intake in your routine. So first is, a lot of these days, because of the time constraint, they may opt for the breakfast cereals which is readily available in the market, like a cornflakes or a muesli. You may be having that along with the milk or curd. So rather than to have those which are very high, contain very high sugar, opt for a homemade fresh poha, idli, upma, pancake, or maybe just a bowl of mixed fruit. Then, rather than to use ketchup, dips, and sauces, you can always opt for homemade tomato puree, maybe a homemade chutney, salsa. Then, of course, again, as I said, to beat the heat, we, as a common human being, we generally, go and grab something which is cold. to beat the heat, and we eat or drink sugary beverages or colas. So rather opt for a healthy alternative, which is a buttermilk, coconut water, a lemon water, a homemade jaggery kokum water, or maybe a homemade jaggery aam panna. So which is the healthier, which are the some healthier alternative which you can replace with your colas and beverages. Then a lot of people must be having questions related that I don't like a plain milk, or other I need to add something to change taste of milk. So to all those who don't like a plain milk, you can always use date, or you can use a figs to your milk. While boiling the milk, you can always add, then if you want you can strain it. So the sweetness of date and fig you will be able to find in milk, and you will that will of course enhance the taste. So the milk you can have it with this dry fruits as well, or maybe adding sattu, which is also available in the market, rather than adding some drinks, or rather than adding some sweets like a khas or a rose syrup. So these are some healthy alternatives you can opt for. A date, a rajgira laddu, or maybe a chikki, a small pour, a small bite after your meals, which can be a easily alternative to your day-to-day routine sugar intake. You can alternate absolutely with this. So let's do this challenge, and together make it possible. I'll be there to guide you and answer each on every queries to the max I can. And of course Harit is there to make a different WhatsApp group for that. So do yourself add into that once you get the link of the different WhatsApp group. So I request to put all the queries there, and the common queries I can answer there. So before I end up this, I would really like to thank each and every participants and Ahmedabad branch of ICI for organizing such an event, which is a part of Fit India campaign. Thank you so much. Over to the Ahmedabad branch.
Archana, when we have some queries in the chat box, if you can answer.
Yeah, sure. I can.
Because we are running short of time, and we have a doctor at 10:30. So we have a couple of more people who will address. So maybe we can combine the queries and reply in the respective groups, if that would be fine. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, audible now.
Yeah. So now quickly going on to our next expert. I think I'll just introduce her in a minute. She's Pragnya Mohan. She's an Indian triathlete from Ahmedabad. She became the first triathlete to represent India in the Triathlon World Cup. She's a current South Asian triathlon champion, multiple times national champion, and has won gold medals at South Asian Games and national games. And above all, she's a proud chartered accountant. And she's our team leader. I would request Pragnya to share her experience of the No Sugar Week.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Pragnya.
Yes, but I'm not able to start my video. I don't know why.
Just a minute. Pragnya, if you can try switching on the video now. You have renamed yourself?
No, I'm not able to.
Everyone has been made a co-host, so just a minute. Yeah, you can start. We'll just try figure it out.
Okay. So as a chartered accountant, I know like what goes in our work, and like travel, and then audits, and then food, balancing everything is very difficult. So how do you manage? So what do like I have been sugar free for many years now. Initially it was difficult. I had withdrawal symptoms, but once my body got used to it, I noticed that eating food, like eating normal fruits and vegetables, became like very nice. I think now people can see me.
Yeah, we can see you now.
Yes. So I think leaving sugar is a very important part of your diet. And being from Gujarat, it was very difficult for me. Being from Ahmedabad, like in every Gujarati recipe, we have sugar in one form or the other. So now substituting sugar with normal fruits, like normal the sugar substitutes like jaggery or honey, or even in my oats, I use bananas. So my breakfast generally is oats. So what do I do is like I soak them overnight with milk, dates, bananas, and that way it becomes very sweet if you have that in the morning, or you can have oats with bananas in the morning, and then it'll take care of your sugar cravings. And then you can have नींबू का रस आप लोग मतलब हनी के साथ पी सकते हो. बहुत कुछ अलग चीजें कर सकते हैं. गोइंग शुगर फ्री विल एक्चुअली एनहांस योर टेस्ट बड्स. अब मैं 95% डार्क चॉकलेट खा सकती हूँ जो मेरे को बहुत टेस्टी लगती है. तो जस्ट ट्राई इट फॉर अ वीक एंड आई एम श्योर दैट एवरी वन ऑफ यू विल लव इट. थैंक यू.
Yeah, Munal.
Yes. So I would just, experts like Archana and Pragna already have shared their experience, already have shared what to do, as an alternative for sugar. But I would just put a question into why are we getting rid of the sugar? And as chartered accountants and professionals, we have all studied the concept of marginal utility. So when we have any kind of food, any kind of drugs, be it even money or be it anything in our life, as and when we have it, the happiness that we get from the same portion of, the same quantity would reduce. Sugar is one such drug that releases the hormones in our brain called dopamine to a level that we consistently crave sugar to a higher and higher level. And recent studies have found that sugar is more addictive than cocaine. So now when we talk about drug-free India, we talk about getting rid of drugs, we don't talk about substance abuse. Sugar is one such substance which has been abused in our daily life since the past generations and decades to come. So the reason why we are all doing this is to make sure get rid of that substance and then actually free what a real body is. It is like giving someone, an amp, someone who is limping, someone who is handicapped, if we give them and support and they can walk on their feet with those assisted limbs, walking or moving our life without sugar is as good as that. So if you want to experience that kind of feeling, you need to quit sugar and first experience what a sugar-free body feels like. So sugar is worse than cocaine at times in terms of drug addiction. You will find those studies on Google. I'm not here to scare you or lie anything to you. I'm just answering you as to why are we doing this. What and how to do this has already been mentioned by Pragna and Rachna, and the details will also be shared in the group. So just think over it. You have the whole Sunday to process it and start things from tomorrow morning. So take your time, and I hope you experience a better, healthier, lighter body without sugar. Wish you all the best, and we are with you in this challenge and in this whole movement towards a better health and a better body. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Munal. We are very honored and very privileged today to have with us the presence of our beloved past president of ICAI, CA Praful Chhajer sir, who has joined us virtually from Mumbai, and also our Central Council member from Ahmedabad, CA Aniket Talati, has joined us. So before I hand over to Aniket, I would request Bishan Bhai to just introduce our beloved past president, because since we have presence from even non-members from across the world, sir, very, very happy to see you, sir, live, and I would request Bishan Bhai to introduce sir.
So good morning, sir. As we know, sun in the sky doesn't require any introduction, but for the person who is giving introduction is a privilege moment for him, and the same is with me. Prafulla Chhajer sir is also elected as executive as a chair of executive committee of World Congress of Accountants 2022, constituted by International Federation of Accountants, that is IFAC, and is also independent director in leading companies. And we all are aware that he was a past president of our institute. And for Ahmedabad branch, we can't forget your contributions for us, sir, because we got a new branch building land with your support, sir. So we are very much thankful to you, sir. We welcome you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I think as Bishan was just adding, I would request, I would basically tell everyone that Ahmedabad branch has acquired the land in 2019-20 under your leadership, sir. And thank you a lot, sir, for your all efforts. We are really humbled and honored to have you today. And I would request C. Aniket Talati, Senate Council member, to also share his thoughts before I request our honorable past president to share his thoughts. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Harit bhai. And yes, when Praful sir is here, I would like to speak at least for a couple of minutes. So before I begin, a very happy Mahavir Jayanti and Jai Jinendra to all my, Jain chartered accountants, colleagues, and more importantly to the entire humanity, because the messaging from Jainism is not just for the religion. I think it transcends religion and is for the entire globe. So what better leader than Praful Chhajar sir, who also is a proud Jain, following Jain, and Harit bhai, who also is a Jain with us. So great beginning to this Mahavir Jayanti today morning. Last Sunday, sir, when we started this session, was Harit bhai's birthday. I wouldn't call it Harit Jayanti, but yes, it was Harit bhai's birthday. And then this Sunday we have Mahavir Jayanti. So every Sunday we are having such a wonderful beginning, and great to have Honorable Past President Praful Chhajar sir. Bishan bhai mentioned about what sir has done for Ahmedabad branch. I'm saying it with my hand on my heart, with all sincerity. I am the ex officio member of Central Council from Ahmedabad, but दिल से अगर Ahmedabad का कोई ex officio member है तो Praful sir है. His heart always beats for members of Ahmedabad. I think we must all, wherever you are, give him a standing ovation. I request all of you, please. Sir has always been very, very kind, always living up to whatever is required for Ahmedabad. Not many of you will know sir की खुद की branch जहां से sir आए हैं, जहां schooling किया है, where his family is. Sir did not do in his presidentship a new branch building there, but immediately on the request of Ahmedabad branch, sir granted the request, and we have one of the largest lands possible in the entire country for Ahmedabad branch. Sir, dil se we will all forever be grateful to you. My only other point that I would like to make here before sir speaks is no better person, Harit bhai, you could have brought for this fitness week. Let me share with you, Praful sir is living in Mumbai. Right outside his apartment, there is the Hiranandani garden, and sir is taking a morning walk every day. He is the right person to give us the inspiration. Even when I joined the council, sir हमेशा बोलते थे कि अपनी health पे भी ध्यान रखना. और sir ने खुद ने, after his term of presidentship, he had, during presidentship, because of all the travels, all the responsibilities sir had to take, he had sugar, and sir had certain blood pressure issues also. Now with regular walking, regular exercise, sir has removed all these. The sugar has come to normal. We are enjoying a chocolate cake in the evening in Delhi together now, and that is all just great leadership that sir has shown in all aspects, including his own health. And finally, I can only give you my example. Sadly, my entire family has been affected by COVID, but the importance of health, and I'm saying this with full sincerity, my father, mother, both who are early risers, walk in the morning, though they are infected with COVID currently, it is only because of the regular walking, regular health exercises that they have been doing, that largely the entire pandemic and now this COVID situation, when they are positive, has been absolutely symptom free. It is only and only credit goes to their health, fitness, and the walking that they are doing in the morning. With these words, I most humbly once again welcome Honorable Past President Praful Chhajar sir to Ahmedabad. Thank you, sir, for taking time out and motivating all of us on this Sunday morning. Thank you very much, and thank you, Chairman, for inviting me.
I would now request Praful sir to please address everyone.
थैंक यू सो मच, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको महावीर जयंती की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। दोस्तों, आज कोई पॉलिटिकल टॉक नहीं करेंगे। आईसीआई में हम आपको हमेशा परेशान करते रहते हैं, आज एक दिल से बात करेंगे। भगवान महावीर का एक सिद्धांत है, जियो और जीने दो। सो जियो और जीने दो का मतलब है पहले खुद भी अच्छे से जियो, और व्हेन इट इज पॉसिबल, only when you are mentally fit, you are healthy, then only you can live your life fully. I always say it is one life and it is my life, and I want to live that life fully, and that is only possible when we are having a very good health. बाकी चीजों के लिए तो हम लोग हमेशा दौड़ते हैं, भागते हैं, लेकिन उससे कुछ होता नहीं है। अब सबको पता चल गया है कि now health is also very very important, and we all were ignoring, and therefore these sessions which are being conducted under leadership of Ahmedabad branch, taking about 27 branches together. Friends, as you know, 27 branches means almost 20% of the entire ICI's branches. And I was just going through that particular list. A से लगा के Z तक, Z की कोई branch नहीं है तो V तक वापी branch. So Akola to Vapi, entire all alphabets, I think Harit and his entire team must have said, and उन्होंने देखा होगा कि सब जगह अपने टिक करते हैं। तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इस तरह से हमारे मेंबर्स जो देश के एक फिनेंशियल हेल्थ का हमेशा ध्यान रखते हैं, आज अपनी हेल्थ के लिए भी आगे आ गए हैं, और बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है दोस्तों। और जैसे कहते हैं ना, जैसी संगत वैसी रंगत, और मुझे लगता है ये 27 ब्रांचेस की जो संगत है, रंगत है, आप सबका एक अच्छा बड़ा ग्रुप बनेगा, अपना सबका ध्यान रखेगा, और बहुत सारी चीजें जो है जीवन में वो हमेशा अपने को ध्यान में रखने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है। दोस्तों, आईसीआई लेवल पर भी मैं आज, जैसा मैंने बोला, मैं पॉलिटिकल बात नहीं करूंगा, बट आईसीआई ऑलवेज केयर्स फॉर मेंबर्स. We have various schemes also. Unfortunately, in case of any financial need that member or any student may need, they can approach to CABF. We are trying to give some monetary help. Of course, वो छोटी सी एक होगी, but मुझे एक बात का बड़ी एक खुशी है, मेरी बहुत सारी branches, regional councils, they have also come forward. They are not only helping the people, the society, for COVID, reduction of COVID pain, etc. But they are also started facilities like tiffin facilities and all those things. तो मुझे पक्का भरोसा है कि हम ये सब लोग जो together we can win. So definitely एक आज बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है. I am really happy to see my dear friend Aniket, who is one of the rather the youngest central council member, and we always tell him कि अनिकेत, बाकी तो दिमाग हम सब लगा लेंगे, मेहनत तू करते जा. And he is always ready to do the any work which any president will give it to him, and doesn't caring that he is also central council member. Like a true soldier, he always follow the leader, and therefore I am quite sure this is the wonderful ICI. दोस्तों, बहुत बार अपने मन में आता है ICI हमारे लिए क्या कर रही नहीं कर रही है, बट मुझे लगता है इस तरह के जब प्रोग्राम देखते हैं, जो आपके दिलों के लिए भी छूने की कोशिश करता है, तो बहुत सारा होता है. I can see Anjali also on the screen. She is also leading the women front at the Ahmedabad branch, and of course Harit and his entire team is also helping. दोस्तों, सबका नाम लेना तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. जैसे मैंने बोला, ये हरित का एक coordinated efforts with 27 branches, but I must give compliments to all the branch managing committee members that they are always for the cause of the profession. Not only जैसे हम लोगों को CP hours पूरे करते हैं, उसके अलावा भी हम लोग, मुझे लगता है कि हेल्थ आवर्स भी पूरे करने के लिए एक बड़ी कोशिश करते हैं. तो दोस्तों, बस आप स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो. जैसे मेरे एक इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया कि वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस, yes, I definitely need lot of support from each one of you. ये थोड़ा पैंडेमिक ठीक हो जाएगा, उसके बाद में आपको और हमको मिलके इंडिया में फर्स्ट टाइम वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस ऑफ अकाउंटेंट्स 2022 नवंबर में होगी, and we all have to come together because it is the rather the biggest ever event that will happen in ICI. So I'll be requiring lot of your support. As I said, everybody is here to take the tips on the diet and how they can reduce their sugars and blood pressure. So I am not want to take further of your time, but last में ऐसे ही कहूंगा, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो और व्यस्त रहो. दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. I am quite sure everybody is taking care of yourself, because you are either hero or heroine of your family, of your husband, of your wife, or your parents, and of your children also. So आप सब अच्छे से अपना ध्यान रखिए. Once again, all 27 branches deserve a lot of compliments, and friends like Aniket, who are also helping these various branches, I'm quite sure together we will definitely take this as a further and we all will win. Thank you so much for having me, inviting me here. और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was always a pleasure to have you with us. I would now request our managing committee member and secretary, C. Anjali Choksi, to please give a vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. It is always enlightening to listen to you. You always speak direct from your heart. That is the best part. I've never seen a president as cheerful as you. We have seen working you in the first year, the day I joined the managing committee. You have super energy and the positive aura you give us, sir. Virtually also, we can feel the same. Thank you for always being available with us. In fact, the last Sunday, we had 2 brand ambassadors. This Sunday, we have 2 icons from ICAI, CA Praful Chajarsi and CA Aniket Talati. You 2 are the brand ambassadors for our chartered accountant, keeping yourself fit. And I would like lastly end with this beautiful shairi. यूं ही नहीं होती हाथ की लकीरों के आगे उंगलियां, यूं ही नहीं होती हाथ की लकीरों के आगे उंगलियां, रब ने भी किस्मत से पहले मेहनत लिखी है. So we all have to work hard to make ourselves fit. Once again, we are very grateful for sparing your valuable time. We always look forward for you, sir. Thank you so much. On behalf of Ahmedabad branch, we are very much grateful to President sir as well as our own CCM sir for always available. Thank you so much, sir.